Because
The center, nurse ang pakagaling sa center para center of action.
do you want me to interview her in English? Oh. What do you say about the declining value of peso against dollar, and how does it affect our economy nowadays? Our first special award is the Star of the Night. Our Star of the Night is none other than candidate number. Ano gusto mo? Ha? Number! Cosine theta 30 degrees. Number 24! You are the Star of the Night! Next award is Miss Ganda Vicky Bello to be awarded by Vincent. To be awarded by Vincent. Ang mag-a-award ay si Vincent. Ito nga. Ito nga. Ang mag-a-award ay si Vincent. Masusing siniyasat ng mga hurado ang mga pangyayaring naganap kung paano nila pinili candidates. Gandang Vicky Bello is candidate number 26. Number 26.
To present the award for Ganda Vicky Bello.
Okay, thank you, Vincent. Next award is Darling of the Crowd. Sino kaya ang Darling of the Crowd? To be awarded by Pamela and Vincent. Darling of the Crowd, sino ang gusto nyo candidate? Sino nga laging sumisigawan? To be awarded by Pamela and Vincent, Darling of the Crowd goes to candidate number 11.
Miss Michelle Buracolina, Tagalog version. To be awarded by Pam. Joy Bauman Stephen.
Thank you. Let me go back. Next special award is Miss
Avon.
to be awarded by Hardy. And Miss Avon.
Stapler Hardy para makapag-research. Miss Avon is candidate number candidate number 6.
Okay, next special award is Miss Princess. Sino ba may pinakamagandang buhok sa kanila na lahat? Kanilang buhok ang maganda. To be awarded by CJ and Jaya. CJ and Jaya, Miss Princess goes to candidate number 5. Pons. To be awarded by Monica Ann. Miss Pons is candidate number 17. Next special award is Miss Summit Media, the official magazine of Samoa Society. Miss Summit Media is none other than candidate number to be awarded by Kevin. Summit Media goes to candidate number 3. Lungkot na lungkot si candidate number 3 sa kanyang award ng Summit Media. Next, we have the Miss Rose of Smile. Next award is Miss Congeniality. Sino ba ang Miss Congeniality tonight? To be awarded by CJ